Hello, and welcome to Show Me Cables. Today we'll be taking a look at VGA cables. VGA is a video-only signal, meaning no audio. Unfortunately, VGA is slightly outdated due to HDMI, but it's still very widely used and provides great signal strength. This is our 45-degree angled VGA cable. These cables are perfect for connecting equipment in difficult-to-reach or tight spaces. They are made using a combination of coax and twisted pair cable and are shielded for maximum signal integrity. The cables are available in sizes ranging from 1 foot to 50 feet. Hopefully this has answered any questions you may have had on VGA cables. If you're still having trouble or have any questions that weren't answered here, you can give our customer service department a call at 888-519-9505. For all of your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.